Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, welcome to our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hey, Joseph Ling. And right now, it's that time of the year where a lot of people are planning on vacations because there's a lot of holidays coming up. 现在1月、2月这2个月呢，很多人呢都要计划出国旅游，对不对？
出柜了，
要出柜了，
出国
出国了要出柜。我想说谁在柜子里呢？OK， 好，要出国了。OK， that means go abroad 出柜。
出柜了
OK, that means go abroad and have fun. OK， 出国玩嘛and when we're at the airport, there's a lot of terms that people need to learn. OK， 比如说你要拿行李，
行李
that's luggage. All right. When you're at the airport, you got to go to the counter. 要去柜台。柜台 OK, that's the counter. And then after you pass through the counter, you have to go through customs. 要经过海关。海关 OK， 这听起来都跟国语很像再来呢最不想碰到的就是行李超重，尤其出国的时候回来的时候买很多东西就很Yeah, a lot of times when we're at the airport, especially returning from a trip, our luggage is overweight. 超重了，怎么说？超重。You're departing 出境。出境。You're arriving 入境。入境。And so for those who are going on a vacation, you are going abroad to a different country for sightseeing. 要观光。观光。Okay, sightseeing. That's Chinese, by the way. And Hakka. 观光。我反而讲 Hakka 还比较标准一点。观光。All right, let's review some of those terms again. At the airport, you got your luggage, 行李。行李。You're going to get to the counter, 柜台。柜台 At the customs, 海关。海關 If your luggage is overweight, 超重。You're departing, 出境。出境 You're arriving, 入境。入境 And finally, you're going on a sightseeing trip. 要去觀光。觀光 There you go. Well, have a safe and nice trip wherever you're going, and thank you so much for listening to our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.